Hello everyone, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make a very, very simple, easy bean salad. Let's get moving. It's very simple. So, in a mixing bowl, tomatoes cut nice and small, about 2 cups I'm using. Same again of celery, which I love by the way. Grated carrots, about 2 cups again. You can adjust all of this if you want. Green onions, again a couple of cups in there. And 1 cup I'm using of corn. Let's go for our beans. I've got red beans there, kidney beans, black beans. I've got some white beans or haricot beans there, and some butter or lima beans. Now, if you're going to use them from a can, give them a nice wash in water, cold water. I've gone with some cilantro or coriander. You can put a different herb in if you want, and a tiny amount of garlic, and then salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of cumin powder. I really like that in there. The juice of 1 lemon or lime, and then I'm going to add some beautiful quality, like double the amount of olive oil. That's a really beautiful one I've got there. Very simply, we're going to give that a mix. Job done. It's delicious. Really, really, really simple. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Now, if you like what you're seeing here, please take time to give me a thumbs up, leave a message, and subscribe. See ya.